Welcome to Time Out. I'm Daria.
Hi, welcome to Time Out. And this season we're doing snacks. Snacks for kids to take to school or even have at home when they come home from school. And we're calling this Snacks and
Ladders.
Yes, Snacks and Ladders.
Snacks and Ladders.
So today we're gonna make something called an Applepini.
And ingredients are peanut butter, mixed nuts, apples.
3 ingredients and that's it. It's super simple, right Daria?
Yes.
Yes, and then it's a great way for children to enjoy their fruits as well at home. Or even in school.
Fruits.
Yes, I know, she loves fruits. That's great. Should we start, Daria?
I love only 2 fruits that are, I like cucumber, watermelon, banana and apple. That's it. And chiku.
And chicken. Okay, so should we start?
Yes.
Okay, so first thing you need is an apple. So when you have your apple, you place it on the board and then
Cut it.
you cut it. Cut the apple. There it is. Now you can do any fun shapes with the apple. You can cut them any which way you want. You want to cut them lengthwise, you want to cut them round, you want to cut them square. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
It all depends on you. So Daria mainly likes them a little bit round, as well as something that kind of looks like a potato wedge. So
How?
she likes to cut them like that. Now once you have your apple, you have to butter them, right?
Yes.
Peanut butter them. Okay, Daria, now grab your butter knife. Yes. Take a blob. Now take your spoon and sprinkle nuts. Put some more. If you want to make this fun and your child happens to be allergic to nuts, you can always use alternatives. You can just use only raisins or apricots or figs, anything that is available to you, or even a little bit of chocolate chips on top of the peanut butter to give it that little bit of kick. It all depends on you. So are you ready to try it? First, shall we make a few? Let's put it on this pretty plate. Look at this pretty plate.
Yeah.
Okay, you keep smearing them. Okay, now let's put the nuts. So the nuts that we have used in this recipe, we've used cashew nuts, almonds, raisins, and a little bit of pistachio. Okay, let's put the nuts. Okay, now that this is done, Daria, let's take a bite. Do you like it?
Yes.
It's the perfect recipe. Also, if suppose you don't want to use your local brand peanut butter, you can try and use almond butter. There's organic almond butter as well as cashew butter, so it all depends on what you like and what your flavoring is. You can have fun with it, throw in some coconut flakes, whatever you'd like. That's all the time we have for today. Until next time, bye!
Bye. Please subscribe.